Well, I know I said we'll give in and not make it perfect, but there's still a bit here that I'm just not happy with. This part of the exhaust is obviously very important because this part of the pipe works so well that it's helped suck all the gases through the barrels, and it works that well. It sucks out fresh charge, and the fresh charge is stored in this bit, and this part of the cone pushes that last bit back in. So this is quite a critical part of the exhaust. I know we're not trying to win the 1984 Grand Prix on it when it's finally finished, but I'm just not happy with it. So it's probably why I'm 4 months booked up, because I'm too fussy. So that's back to 60 psi. I'm not convinced it's quite safe, but what's the difference 10 psi makes between friends? So the plan now is that little tiny crease just there. If it'll work, it's where the it's difficult because it's obviously welded. The strengthening plate for the stinger for the silencer was actually welded to that there. So it's a bit thicker and really thin, and I'm trying to get the thin bit out and leave the thick bit in. But it doesn't look like it's going to work. But I could be wrong. It has been known. Tiny bit more. This is when it all goes wrong now. Just that little tiny bit there, look. I didn't want to grind off the weld because I know where it all lines up then. I've not marked the pipes. If I ground the weld away, it'd probably work beautiful. Just see where we are pressure wise. That's obviously why. Where it will go, but the pressure it on. Should work a bit faster. Trying to get the weld hot as well this time. We'll just see what happens. Aha, we got it. Bloody brilliant. Superb.